I'm Steve Ginsberg. I am the president of TriArt Manufacturing. We're primarily a paint factory. Our product IDs, PIDs, several colors, different sizes. And for artist materials, you have to keep reproducing the same thing over and over. So the spot where we thought we would automate is how can we pick the product and pack the product.
My name is Evan Ginsberg. As a family member, I really do a little bit of everything. My predominant focus is in the design and marketing. Essentially, we do almost everything from the ground up. So when you see a TriArt product, it's handled by us.
My name is Jesse Davis, and I work here at doing sort of head of IT programming. The SCHAEFER system has been very accommodating to our space that we had available.
Unfortunately, our roof, our ceiling is not that high. We have 14 feet. Once I explained those difficulties, then SCHAEFER nicely produced us one to work in 14 feet. And it's still, the density of the Miniload system is so great. I believe it's 10 times the density of a traditional racking system. It's fantastic.
The SCHAEFER Miniload system changed our day-to-day operations. It's basically changed every single aspect of what we do as a company. We've almost built our new processes around the SCHAEFER Miniload system, whereas now all the product is just being delivered to them rather quickly.
What that implies is we label at the end as the product goes out the door. So we're still able to, the orders come in, the entire SCHAEFER system is full of unlabeled product, and then the product comes out and is then labeled or sets are built.
Lets us do some really unique things with labeling. Because we do our label printing in-house, we can print all kinds of variable rolls of product, and SCHAEFER's sending us exactly the product that we need to be labeled at that time through that variable roll in sequence. In general, when you request a bin of product through our system, the inventory is, I would say, 99.98% of the time completely accurate, down to the batch numbers as well.
The byproduct of that we didn't expect at first was maybe we can use this system to help fulfill for some of our customers. So the system's becoming a lot more flexible. And because of the programming and the way the system works, we can have products that other people own and are packaged and labeled. It can be unlabeled products. The system has no bias on what it's storing. We just have to have really good software to manage the whole thing. So it becomes quite fluid and dynamic, a system.
Almost anyone can run this system, so it's very, very user-friendly, very easy to train.
Future innovations would be adding a second part to this that would allow us to maybe fulfill for more local companies, because I think fulfillment is one of the most difficult things for a company. We're super excited about the system. It's working fantastic. It's actually gives us a shot in the arm every day we're coming in, because the fulfillment part was one of the, that's why I don't have hair. It was one of the worst things, is getting the product labeled, getting it out. We make TriArt's finest quality products. We make some of the most fantastic, finest quality artist products and such. But our fulfillment, it was always very slow. But the SCHAEFER system has really sped up our fulfillment time. And I think the way the world works today, that is so critical. So far, it's been fantastic, and it is the engine behind our manufacturing at this point. It is the central point of our manufacturing, is the Miniload system.